Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And in early trading, the stock market was setting record highs once again for the week. However, that euphoria has since dissipated and the major indexes have dipped into negative territory for the day, but all three indexes remain in positive mode for the week. We'll take a look at the S&P 500, currently trading at 3,167.27 with a chart analysis score of plus 100. With this new green weekly trade triangle that triggered yesterday at 3,154.26. And for the week, we'll take a look at a weekly chart as we usually do. As you can see, we're currently up about 0.6% on the week. Key level to watch moving forward will be 3,070.33. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for the S&P 500. The dollar index, however, is not faring so well, as we'll start here on the weekly chart and show you that it's currently down about 0.5% on the week. However, the chart analysis score has been pushed to -90 with a new red monthly trade triangle being issued on the chart, which came in on the 11th at 97.10. Currently trading at 97.16, so a little bit above that level, up about 0.4% today on trade news, but overall down for the week and in a strong long-term downtrend. Key level to watch would be 98.54. Move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the dollar index. Dow Jones, much like the S&P 500, down relatively unchanged at the moment on the day, but up for the week. Chart analysis score was changed to plus 90 yesterday after the Dow issued a green weekly trade triangle at 28,174.97, again indicating that we're in a long-term uptrend for the Dow Jones. Take a look at a weekly chart. As you can see, currently up about 0.3% on the week, trading at 28,115.42. Key level to watch be 27,325.13. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the Dow Jones. NASDAQ was the only one of the three indexes that never triggered a red weekly trade triangle last week or early part of this week, and is currently up about 0.8% on the week with a chart analysis score plus 100, trading at 8,733.58. Key level to watch would be 8,435.40. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. Crude oil continuing to have a good week, up 1.37%, continuing the momentum from last week, trading at 59.96 with a chart analysis score plus 70, indicating that the short-term and intermediate-term trends are up for crude oil. However, we still have a long-term downtrend in place overall for crude oil. Key level to watch would be 58.83. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a short-term sidelines position for crude oil. Gold receiving a bit of a weekly bounce this week with a chart analysis score plus 100, trading at 1,479.20, up almost 1% on the week. Key level to watch will be 1,465.50. A move below that level could issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a short-term sidelines position for a short position in gold. However, the long-term trend remains up. We'll back out of here and we'll take a look at our last Bitcoin, currently up about 0.6% on the day, however down about 2% on the week with a chart analysis score -75, indicating that we're still in a long-term downtrend for Bitcoin. Currently trading at 7,265.10. Key level to watch will be 7,772.71. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. With that, every success, have a great weekend, and I'll be back with some market updates next week.